I just got in this 1.5 gallon humidifier. Gonna really like it for my bedroom. I live in a dry, deserty area, so we'll go ahead and get this opened up here and get it taken out. And plastic off. So it has a really nice long cord. It's easy to take off and fill up. We'll just get this done here and we'll try it out and see how it works. I like to use distilled water in my humidifier, so I'm going to go ahead and get this opened up here. And I'm going to pour in, and it holds about 1.5 gallons. And after we get this all in there, we'll get it hooked up and try it out. There we go. Screw in the bottom, and we'll go get it all hooked up. Now that I have it all filled up, we just set it right on top. And you can change the angle of the dial. You want to make sure you have room around it. Oh, and I actually had it on, and it already started to steam as soon as it came on. It comes with a cleaning brush and an extra filter for that. So, and the one thing that's nice about this unit that I liked is it has a small night light. As you can see from the video, it has a nice solid stream of steam.